Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So from the list, it's a easy level problem and it is lead code 925. The problem is long person name, and the problem statement goes like this: uh, your friend is typing his name, okay, into a keyboard. Sometimes when typing a character, see the key might get long pressed and the character will be typed one or more times. Fine, you examine the typed characters. So we have to examine the characters from this and the name, and we have to check if uh, the I mean my friend is intended to type his name or not. So we have Alex here. Alex A type twice, L E type twice, and X. C and E are long pressed and we shall return true. So S is typed twice, A is typed twice, E is typed only once where we need two, and D is typed twice. So probably he is not typing his name. So what we should do is let's let's take p1 comma p2 equals to, so for I in, I think we don't need p2. For I name, if if length of type is less than length of name, then return false. While if I equals to so while I equals to type of p, where p plus equals to 1, else return return true. Just let's try running this and check whether this is working fine or not. File is less than length of. Wait a second, guys. I'll be back in a moment. So let's see. Well, P is less than length of this might work, but it can cause a problem if we have scenarios like this. Right, expected. So let's do one thing. What can we do here? We have one A, two A's here, one L, one L here, one E, two E's. Let's do one thing. Let's get P1 equals P2. Let's keep this as a while loop. While P1 is less than length of name, P1 plus equals to 1. We keep a pointer here and a pointer here. If you can have multiple A's and same goes for an index. LVXLX. Let's do one thing. Instead of P1 and P2, let's keep count. Let's count. And let's see now. It's 0 instead of 2. and A twice, A once, and D twice. Yes, index. Let's see what happens now. So that equals to E and back. This shall work. Right. So let me submit it and check if it's working fine. Then let's discuss the intuition. Okay, I guess we don't have to. We also need to check extra characters above. I mean, well, I didn't anticipate this kind of test case. So 360 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 Mm, this will break if it never goes. Let's see again. Let's try submitting it now. UIPLR. Seems like this is working fine, but we are making it complex at every step, and we have already fine. It is working fine, but I believe it's not an optimal solution because it is not looking simple. It's really looking very complex. Let's see if there exists a better solution. So we, they initialize two pointers while type track type track. Okay, well type track is less than month of time. Okay, okay. Well, if type track is less than zero, well seems like he did the same thing as us, but in a simpler way. So let me explain my intuition first. So what we are doing here is we have added a case, edge case where if we find a typed value less than the length of name, then we shall return false. We have initialized two a pointer and a counter, and we are counting as we are skipping the duplicates here from the typed, and if there is duplicates involved in name 2 and they are adjacent, and if the count value is greater than 1, why 1? Because we have counted already 1 as a distinct value, so we have to check the remaining duplicates. If the count value greater than 1, then we'll start counting, else this if condition will be this will become invalid, and this else will return false. And if the entire loop completed, and if the while loop this while loop didn't exceed to the end point, then it shall return false. Or if it exceeded the zero based index of the length of type, then it shall return false. because if we checked every characters from the type, then we have we have a complete valid case. If there are few leftovers, then it is not a valid case. Or if the above case didn't match, like if there is no adjacent duplicates, or if the length of p exceeded before and even after exceeding there is no duplicates, or if there is a mismatch, then it will return false. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys understood and find it interesting. If you find it interesting, then upload the video. And if you like the content, subscribe the channel. Please share if it is helpful for someone. And keep pushing hard, keep learning, guys. Just keep at it, and we shall achieve our goals. And we'll meet again with another video. Thank you and goodbye.